Hey, welcome back to my Sunless Ray YouTube channel where I share all of my favorite self-tanning tips and tricks. My name is Jessica Ray. I'm the founder of Sunless Ray and I have been a professional spray tan artist for over 8 years. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to self-tan your hands. Yes, there is a technique. Yes, there's a proper way to do it, and you've probably been doing it wrong. So it's actually really simple and really fast. It doesn't take a lot of time, and this is usually the last thing I do. So step one is you get a generic lotion. This is on Amazon, their generic brand. This is the only time I'll recommend a lotion that isn't organic or natural. It's the best barrier cream that you can get before self-tanning. So I get my lotion, just a little bit, not a lot, and it's super easy. I just rub this all over my hand. Make sure to get the cuticles, and then a big one is the wrist right here, because that'll get really funky. So you make sure that lotion is all blended. Step two, I get my self-tan mitt right here, and I'm using the Sunless Ray self-tan mousse to tan my hands. I get my mitt right here, and I put that much mousse on it. And this is my trick, is I fold it in to the mitt because I don't want it to be just like one dab. I want it to be in the mitt so when I blend it, it looks more natural. So I get my mitt and I apply. Like I'm just applying kind of like whatever right now. And I get the wrist. This is the key. You get in between your fingers, like so. And right here. Those are the parts that people forget a lot. And if you're a beginner self-tanner, you're gonna probably make this error the first time. So this is actually gonna save you a learning curve if you follow this. So in between the fingers, like so. Getting right here, the wrist, and the hand. So this hand's done. Literally took 2 seconds. Perfect self-tan hand. The next hand is just as easy. I'm just gonna literally repeat the same thing. And I'm gonna apply all over my hand. Make sure to bend your knuckles a little bit to get in there. The wrist, come up the side of the thumb, and then in between each finger. And also, make sure when you're doing this to go up your arm so you're blending it out pretty good. I'm not going to show you that because I have my jacket on, but just rub all the way up and in between the fingers. And that is literally it. You'll have the perfect self-tan hands. I'm all done. It takes a little bit to see the color for Sunless Ray, but my hands are dry. That's why I love this formula. I can touch it. Nothing's going to get on my hands. One more tip that I wanted to share. When you're taking off the mitt, don't grab it like this because it's going to get on your hand. So what I like to do is I'll put my other hand in it, and then I just pull out with this edge that doesn't have like the mitt material, just kind of like a velvet. And that's it. I hope you loved this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And in your comments, please leave your self-tan questions. I want to know what you are having a hard time with. I'm here to help, and I love helping. You can follow us on Instagram at Sunless Ray, that's R-A-E. My personal Instagram is Jess Ray Buck, that is R-A-E. And our website is sunlessray.com. And I hope you love this video. I release a new one every Tuesday and Thursday, so make sure to subscribe so you get alerted of the next video.